Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command.
Install GNOME-PG2 with the running next command. This apt transport allows the use of repository accessed via the HTTP secure protocol. Next, you need to know that Budgie is not available on Ubuntu-based repositories, so we can install it by running the next command.